In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot deal automations for a smoother sales experience. If you've been looking for a way to streamline your sales process, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring that by the end of this session, you'll be well equipped to optimize your HubSpot workflows efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login option. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Login screen. Here, you have several ways to access your account. Since it's both quick and convenient, let's choose the Sign In with Google option. Select your Google account, and without any need to enter passwords or complications, you're logged in. Now that you're inside your HubSpot portal, you want to find the Automations section. Hover over to where automations are located, and this is where the magic begins. Within automations, what you want to click on next is the Workflows option. Workflows in HubSpot are powerful tools that allow you to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Click on Workflows, and you'll find an option at the top that says Create Workflow. It's tempting, so go ahead and click it. A crucial tip here: HubSpot offers pre-made workflows which can save loads of time. Instead of building from scratch, click on From Template. This option will present you with various templates that HubSpot offers, specifically designed to cater to different needs. In the search bar that appears, type in Deals. This search is going to help us locate pre-configured templates that focus specifically on deal automations. Once the search results populate, click on Use Template for the one that suits your needs. This selection will take you to the template setup where you can customize it according to your specific deal processes. Here, you'll begin setting up your workflow. Personalize it by adjusting triggers, conditions, and actions to match your sales process requirements. Once you've fine-tuned the workflow to your liking, take a moment to review everything. Head to the top right corner and click on Review and Publish. You're almost there. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm your settings with a Yes Enroll option. Click that to validate and enroll the settings for your deals. Then proceed by clicking Next. The final step to complete your setup is to click Turn on Workflow. This activates your automated process, setting everything into motion and ensuring your sales cycle is running smoothly with as little manual input as possible. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a deal automation in HubSpot that will greatly streamline your sales efforts. Thank you for joining in, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your business processes with HubSpot.